Hello and welcome to Workshop 1. In today's competitive landscape, where only 10% to 15% of proposals receive funding, the low success rate amplifies the competition. Therefore, having a good project proposal alone isn't enough to secure funding. So, how can we create proposals that stand out and achieve success in such a competitive landscape? The answer lies in competitive intelligence. Competitive intelligence helps us understand what sponsors and funding agencies prioritize, the types of projects they typically support, the outcomes they seek to achieve, and the value they place on both the project and the consortium. By analyzing trends, past funded projects, and reviewing agency reports, we can identify gaps and opportunities that align with our strengths. With this knowledge, it becomes possible to craft proposals that not only align with the funder's mission, but are also strategically designed for success. In this workshop, we will explore the key elements of competitive intelligence. Participants will have the opportunity to reflect and refine their project design, with a strong focus on fostering openness and knowledge sharing. In Part B of this workshop, you'll be working through a guided canvas. This canvas is organized into 3 sections, each designed to help focus your discussion and align with your project's goals. First, the project scope. This section lays the foundation of your proposed project, helping you define the core elements and objectives. Next, the design for success. Here, you'll explore 5 key aspects: the value proposition, innovation, relevance to the funder's priorities, sustainability, and your team's reputation. These are all essential for making your project stand out and be truly competitive. And finally, strategy. In this last section, you'll identify key strategies or characteristics from previously funded projects. By applying these insights, you can strengthen your proposal with proven success patterns that align with your project. Next, we move on to Part C. In this part, participants will brainstorm in teams, focusing on 3 key questions to enhance their projects. Teams will discuss and answer: how can our project integrate a sustainable development goal to maximize its impact? How can we incorporate openness and knowledge-sharing elements into our project? And how can our project adopt emerging technologies to enhance its capabilities and remain cutting edge? Additionally, participants will brainstorm with me to generate more ideas using AI capabilities. This part of the workshop encourages creativity and strategic thinking, helping align projects with global priorities and innovative practices. Finally, we move on to Part D, our writing moment. In this final part, participants will take everything they've worked on throughout the workshop and reflect it in their pre-proposal template. This is the time to bring all the brainstorming, discussions, and ideas together and start shaping the project into a cohesive and compelling draft. I wish you great success in this first part of the bootcamp, and now let's get started. See you later for Workshop 2.